Have you heard about what happened in the Supreme Court today? Nnamdi Kanu entered the Supreme Court and everywhere began to shake. Can you imagine? In fact, here in Noble Media, we brought you that video. We have dropped 2 videos, live videos of what happened. That Nnamdi Kanu came to court, Supreme Court, the biggest court in Nigeria, and he was treated like a celebrity. Just imagine. Let's give you the details here in Noble Media. It will surprise. In fact, I am sure that Tinubu and co will not believe this. When Nnamdi Kanu entered, everybody started shouting, Oyendu, Oyendu, Oyendu. Moment Supreme Court workers held Nnamdi Kanu as he arrives premises. When Nnamdi Kanu arrived the premises of Supreme Court, everybody in Supreme Court, the workers in Supreme Court, left whatever they were doing, both those downstairs and upstairs, and they started shouting, Oyendu, Oyendu, hailing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's name. Let's go in. There was a loud ovation. See, a leader is a leader, no matter what. If you like, put him in chain, or if you like, take him abroad, or if you like, bring him to Nigeria, if you like. Wherever a leader is, he is a leader. This one is not by bribery. This one is not by corruption. This one is a born leader. That a man came into Supreme Court and the workers in Supreme Court abandoned everything just to welcome him. There was a loud ovation at the Supreme Court premises on Thursday when the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, arrived the court. Even these people were not even afraid. Can you imagine? Nnamdi Kanu that has been held by Tinubu and Buhari for years now. People are even afraid of talking about him, mentioning his name. But he stepped into Supreme Court and everybody began to shake. Kanu was in the apex court to personally submit a letter to the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Kudirat Kekere Ekun, urging him to discontinue his ongoing terrorism trial, citing a repealed law. Kanu is not leaving any stone unturned. Kanu is not leaving any stone unturned. And that is why you, if you're a supporter of Nnamdi Kanu, don't keep quiet, don't stop talking, share this video. I mean, keep praying for him, keep supporting him, keep asking for his freedom in any way you can. These things we do online matter a lot. So like this video and come under the comment of this video and type Nigeria releasing Nnamdi Kanu, Tinubu, Kudira Kukere Ekun, releasing Nnamdi Kanu before it is too late. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu now that you still have the opportunity. Very, very important. Urging him to discontinue his ongoing terrorism trial, citing a repealed law. In a viral video, if you want to see the video, we attach it at the end of this video. It's already in our channel. Just go and look at it. You will be surprised. Many people can't believe that happened inside the Supreme Court in Nigeria. In a viral video, workers at the Supreme Court could be seen hailing the IPOB leader immediately when he stepped into the premises. It is Nigerian media reporting this, that immediately Nnamdi Kanu stepped into the Supreme Court. It was as if a Messiah came in. Okay, let's move on. If you have not liked this video, click on like. If you have not shared this video, click on share and drop a comment demanding Nnamdi Kanu's release. Daily Post reports that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's arrival at the Supreme Court is part of his last-minute attempt to discontinue his case, which is set for judgment on November 20th. Some people say that Tinubu or Motosho is bent on ensuring that Nnamdi Kanu goes to prison. Some people are saying that Tinubu will release Nnamdi Kanu, but he wants him to first of all be sentenced so that he will go to jail first. Right? That is why everybody must keep pushing, doing everything you can. See Nnamdi Kanu, Emmanuel Okpale, Eloy Jimakon, Prince Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu's younger brother. Everybody has been talking, and here in Noble Media, we have carried it on our head. That's why you need to keep supporting our channel. Like this video and subscribe if you have not done that. Also, click on join to become a full member of our channel. The IPOB leader was accompanied by officials of the Department of State Services, DSS. Of course, everywhere Nnamdi Kanu goes, DSS goes with him as his bodyguard. Leave this man, Nigeria, release this man and rest. Nigeria, release this man and have some peace. They have not released him. And the nation is going backward. The IPOB leader was accompanied by DSS They follow him. The leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has arrived at the Supreme Court to personally submit a letter to the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Kudirat Kekere Ekun. Pay attention. Kanu wants the Chief Justice of Nigeria to discontinue his ongoing terrorism trial at the Abuja Federal High Court, citing a repealed law. Citing what? A repealed law. Citing a repealed law. His arrival at the Supreme Court is part of his last-minute attempt to discontinue his case, which is said to be joy. Of course, Omotosho already said that on November 20th, that should be Thursday next week, will be the day for the sentence, that he will make his decision. And everybody is paying attention. All eyes, both those of us outside Nigeria and everybody inside Nigeria, everybody is waiting for what could happen that very day. Let's move on. If you have not subscribed, click on subscribe. If you have not joined our channel, click on join right now. And don't keep quiet on Nnamdi Kanu's case. Keep demanding it. The more we talk about it, the better. The more we react about it, the better. The IPOB leader was accompanied by officials of the department. Yesterday, Kanu had filed an application at the Court of Appeal. Yes, he also filed an application at the Court of Appeal. Today he is in Supreme Court. He is not resting. Yesterday, Kanu filed an application at the Court of Appeal, praying for stay of further proceedings in his trial before Justice James Omotosho. Please, somebody come under the comment of this video and say, Omotosho, don't be used to sentencing Kanu. Omotosho, do not allow yourself to be used. Release Nnamdi Kanu now. Omotosho, don't allow yourself to be used. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. In the motion, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu urged the appeal court to stay delivery of judgment on November 20, pending determination of the appeal. That is what happened yesterday, before Kanu stepped into Supreme Court today. This is the way it happened. In fact, everybody is happy. In fact, some people are surprised. Some people think that this cannot happen in Nigeria. Imagine Nnamdi Kanu coming to the apex court, the biggest court, Supreme Court that everybody is afraid of. Supreme Court that everybody is afraid of, that once your matter gets to Supreme Court, this one will happen, this one will happen. But Nnamdi Kanu came, and see what they were calling him. They were calling him Oyendu, Oyendu, Oyendu. It is something so sweet to see. If you have not seen it, please go over to our channel. There was a video we dropped for you a few minutes ago about Trump's case, the case of Donald Trump. Some people saying Nigerians in Europe reporting Trump. They reported Trump to the British European Union, saying that the European Union should want Trump not to enter into Nigeria. Go over to our channel, you will see that video. Ensure you also watch it. We are following this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case. Of course, our correspondent over there in Nigeria is paying attention to everything going on in Nnamdi Kanu's case. So once any update drops, you here in Noble Media will be the first to get it. Like this video, share this video, click on subscribe if you have not done that. And most importantly, there's another important video on the screen from Noble Media. Click on it and watch now.